My project, ComposerFantasy, is a program that combines music theory with my algorithm to automatically combine two songs and generate a new song in MIDI format. Imagine if the national anthem means a pop song. Do we just directly match up two songs? No, because songs are composed using music theory, so their chords won't match and therefore not harmonize with each other. Therefore, my program uses music theory to combine and generate a new harmonized song in MIDI format ready to play. This will be a useful tool for both music composers like me and casual listeners. First, the user chooses a melody in MIDI format and input it into my program. Then they select the style that they like to incorporate with the melody, like pop, rock, or even country. Next, the melody and style song needs to be unified into a common key before any further processing. So, my Python program first identifies the current key of the melody and the style. By using music theory, it transposes them to a common key. The algorithm transposes all the notes in both files up or down a certain distance so that both songs will have the same basis for further analysis. And then, in order to harmonize the style song with the melody, I need to transform the chords of the style song into the target chord progression of the melody so that they can harmonize with each other. The target chord progression is the specific chord sequence for the melody written by the composer. Chord progression is the typical foundation of harmony. So my Python program first decomposes the style song into multiple tracks and parts. The program transforms each chord into the target chord progression by referencing the beat number and the melody chord progression. The transformation of each chord is done by modifying the root note to the new root note. This way, the version of the chords will be kept the same. Therefore, the style will also be kept constant. I've also written an interface using HTML and JavaScript for a convenient way of choosing the melody and style song. Now I will demonstrate the interface and the combination generated by my program. First, there are a couple of melodies here that you can choose from to match up with any of these styles in the target style section. Let's say we choose the national anthem. Okay, and for the target style we can choose, let's say, the pop Shape of You. Let's run the program. And here is the generated combination file. Next, we can choose another melody here, the classic New York Symphony. Let's pair up with the style Billie Jean and combine these two files. Notice in the style song, each chord of each instrument is modified to harmonize with the melody so that the final combination will be harmonized with each other. Furthermore, I can apply the convolutional neural network, a branch of AI that's used in image recognition and TensorFlow. By mapping the values of the note pitches of the style song into an array and the note durations into another, I can simulate the music matrix into an image matrix and pass it into the convolutional neural network. By running 4 layers of the neural network, I can extract the texture, which is the stylistic features of the song. Then, by applying the texture extracted by the neural network to the original melody, I get an AI-generated new melody. Then, by combining it with the previously modified style according to music theory, we get a brand new combination of both songs. This is a brand new approach for AI-generated music, since it combines the latest neural network technology with music theory, the music knowledge of human beings. This way, the AI-generated music will not only be a matrix of numbers, but also plausible to the human ear. Thank you.